sir.
Dr. Aviles, was a glass of wine okay? And he said you would live longer if you had it. So, as they say in Gaelic, l'chaim. Anyways, Ellen, thank you for having us here, and welcome to the kickoff, stat for New York City's public hospitals. And in honor of this occasion, I thought I'd be joining tonight's headline entertainer, Omar Edwards, in a dance number or two. After all, once a year I dance with a Broadway cast as part of a charity benefit, and the dances are always so helpful. This year, one of them reminded me, she whispered, Mike, your other right foot. Oh well. Anyways, tonight I thought maybe I'd leave the stat entertainment to the professionals. But this is really a great way to start this event with an all-star lineup, and tonight is my chance to thank all of them, those who are here and those who aren't, for giving their great talent. So wherever you are, thank you so much. You really are making a difference, supporting Bellevue and all of New York City's great public hospital clinics throughout the city. And I'm pleased to acknowledge someone else that's here tonight whose bravery inspires us all, and who credits the outstanding medical care he received at Bellevue with saving his life after he was shot and severely wounded protecting the rest of us. Detective Stephen McDonald of the NYPD, who I just was up with. Star told me she had surgery here. Alan, if you ever need, Jones will be there for you anytime you need. Our public hospitals actually do magnificent work in their emergency rooms and in all their departments. They provide world-class care to 1.3 million patients a year, regardless of their income, insurance coverage, or immigration status. HHC, yes, you betcha. HHC hospitals are a big reason why New Yorkers are, on average, living longer, healthier lives than people in the rest of the United States, and why we've increased, listen to this, we've increased life expectancy in our city by 19 months during the last 9 years. It's an amazing number. 8.4 million people living on average 1 year and 7 months more. Think about the number of man years, and it's what New York is all about. We bring down crime, we improve the response time of our ambulances and police cars and fire trucks. We have better signage on the road so there are fewer traffic deaths. Smoking ban has helped all of our Health and Hospitals Corporation efforts to reduce trans fats, and let us enjoy the great things in life. You can have wine, just don't do it to excess. You can have Cheez-Its, which is one of my addictions, just don't do it to excess. Anyways, now faced, as we know, with rising costs and diminishing resources, our hospitals really do need our help so that they can continue to fight illness and save lives. And stat concerts and art exhibitions in all 5 boroughs are raising funds for our public hospitals and also raising awareness about their all-important work. Now, the moving spirit behind this week of events is also with us tonight. A longtime benefactor of our public hospitals and a former senior executive vice president of Long Island Savings Bank, Hank Carter. So Hank, wherever you are out there, thank you so much for everything everything you've done for HHC. It really does make a difference. And tonight, when you go to bed and you turn out the light, that last look in the mirror, you should like what you see. It really have made a difference. I also wanted, before I leave, to join in saluting the outstanding individuals and organizations being honored tonight. Karen Davis of the Commonwealth Fund, the American Cancer Society, Boza Rivers, the executive producer of the New Heritage Theater Group, the Reverend John Boyd Sr., Carnegie Hall's Music Connections Program, and the Artist Access Program at Woodhull Medical and Mental Health Center. And, Alan, because this is your week, I'm going to present you with a proclamation honoring Stat Week, which is right here. This is one of the few things the mayor gets to do. I give out proclamations and I get up very early in the morning and take a pen and I very carefully write every one of these letters. It may look to you like it was printed by a machine, but that's just because I have great calligraphy. Of course, I can't spell, so that's another issue. Anyways, this reads in part, I'm delighted to join HHC for the week-long series of music and art events throughout the 5 boroughs entitled STAT. The events will raise funds for much-needed equipment and technology while showcasing how the hospitals are an integral part of the cultural life of the neighborhoods that they serve. Alan, God bless you and all. How many people work at HHC hospitals? Total number?
37,000.
37,000 people that make a heck of a difference in this city. Stat Week is going to be a big success. Alan, thank you for everything. God bless and have a nice evening.